In today's video, we are going to be collecting from one of my mobile home parks. It is my Vendo V475 machine. Watch all the way to the end for the totals. Enjoy the show. Greetings everyone. Today we are collecting and stocking up my mobile home machine. This is a Vendo V475. As you can see, I do have some soda to put in down there at the bottom. The inner door sometimes doesn't want to play nice. But I'll get you set up here and perch so you can see everything I'm doing. Up first is the Pepsi. Hope your guys' vending business is doing well. Just did my first collection on my claw machine. That video will be coming out pretty soon. I use Vensoft to track all of my sales on all items, whether it's full line, snack and soda, or Crane. So we'll see how everything does. Up next is the Coke. I was just looking up to make sure it's still recording. Hope everyone's doing well. On to the cash and change, everyone's favorite part. Trying to get this perch so it doesn't fall over. There we go. It's got quite a bit of change in there, no complaints. Drop the lucky quarter back in there. Very nice. This machine did $73.25 for the week. And at the end of the month, I'll have a collection total for all the machines and how much they made for the month. I do want to thank everyone for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.